To create a Starbox template, cut a sheet of paper 4 inches by 8 inches, which is approximately 10 centimeters by 60 centimeters. Bring the left edge of the paper over to the right edge and fold a line in the middle. You can draw this line in if desired for easy viewing. You can fold this line. However, it may be much easier to simply draw the line from corner to corner. To fold the line, fold the diagonal from the top left corner to the bottom right corner. Pinch each corner precisely to locate the line. You can either fold or draw this line. Drawing may be somewhat easier. Fold the diagonal or draw a line joining the bottom left corner to the top of the last line. The point where the diagonals cross divides the sheet equally into 3 parts, both vertically and horizontally. Fold down from the top edge to the point where the diagonals cross the line. Line up the edges parallel to the side edges. You can also draw this line if desired. It divides it into 1/3 on the top and 2/3 on the bottom. Fold from the bottom edge to the last folded line. You can also draw this line if desired. You have now completed the template that you need to make the creases in the actual piece of paper. You will overlay this template on the actual piece you wish to fold.